So, hey guys, what's up? This is bike check number 2 for the 2015 Subrosa Tiro. So start up off top. It's just the stock Shadow Cholula bars or grips with shadow bar ends. The stock Subrosa bars. The stock Subrosa hold tight stem. Basically stock forks, stock front and back wheels. I have the Kink Boulevard front hub guard. The hub guard's meant for a female axle, but I have a male axle. But if you keep the bolts tight, then you won't have a problem. I mean, my wheel fit spins just fine. I have the Shadow little ones pegs in the front and in the back, both with the sleeves, because at my local skate park you have to have sleeves or else you're not allowed to grind. Moving into the back section, I have the stock Subrosa badge seat. I have the S&M race seat clamp. It's meant for a race bike, but it'll fit this, so I'm using it. I have the stock Rant cranks. I now have the clear twisted PC pedals. They were on sale, so I bought them. They were only like 11 bucks or something. They were cheap, so I just bought them. I have the Primo Nair sprocket. Focus. There you go. I have a white KMC chain. Put that on like yesterday, as of this video. In the back, the Shadow little ones peg with the sleeve. I have the Primo drive side sprocket or hub guard. And that's about all the parts that I have on the bike. Everything else is stock. So stock, wheels, tires, tubes. I haven't done anything really else to the bike. I just got a new phone, and I don't have an editing software thing for it, so I can't really add riding clips. I've been asked. I'll make a separate video for riding clips. For the hub sound, it's pretty loud. Not as loud as my We the People, my previous bike, but it's pretty loud. Pretty soon I'm going to be ordering the Colony Free Coaster wheel, the complete wheel. It's the one that's for 208, because if you've never ridden a coaster, I highly suggest you ride one. They're like the coolest things ever. Like, they're just so fun to just mess around on. I can do so many tricks on one, and I don't even own it. I just borrow people's, and they don't even care. But riding, I've learned a ton of new tricks on this bike. Literally within the first week, I landed I learned foot jam hops on here, which are really, really fun. I can fakie, I can do tons of tricks. That's basically all the parts that I really have on this. I highly, highly, highly recommend you buy this Fit grind wax. This is only half of it because I cut it in half. It's literally, like, it says pocket sized. They're lying. It's literally like the biggest thing ever. And it's like $6. Like, that thick. And this is not even half. I've already used most of this. And this is only half. It's literally like It's just insane how big it is. Yeah. It's all the parts I really have on this. I got rid of the Colony Fantastic pedals because I ended up cracking them, or cracking one of them, and like right about here it'd be, and it was already starting to like come loose, so I just said whatever and bought these. I don't really care that they don't match. I'm still going with my theme for the black, gold, and white. I don't have my white tires yet. I didn't order them. I said in the description that I did. On my last update, I didn't. These ones are almost going bald, and the day I made that bike check was the day I got those tires, or the day I got my bike. And I've literally been going ham on this. I've had it for about a month, and oh gosh. But yeah, this is about it. I love all these parts, every part that I have on it. This sprocket, I grind sprocket side, and there's literally like no scratches or nothing on it, and I'm surprised. I've beaten up my cranks already. Not too bad, but decent. Come on, focus. But I mean, I've done crank grinds and crap on here, and I can feeble, I can double peg. I'm pretty good, and I just learned to feeble like a week ago, and I can feeble almost any ledge or anything. But yeah, that's just a little update and bike check for my We the People, or not We the People, Subrosa.